Hi there everyone, let's go driving. This is winter in Canada and I've just completed digging almost 1.5 feet of snow from my driveway. As you can see, look, all around nothing but snow. Anyway, I'm in the car. I have my seatbelt on, my mirrors are adjusted, the rear view mirror, and I'm just gonna back out of my driveway. I still have about 2 inches of snow on my driveway, but that should be okay as far as backing out onto the road. So anyway, I'm just gonna check around, make sure it's safe to the left and to the right. Then I engage, reverse, and hope for the best. Okay, no one approaching from the left or right, so I'm just gonna gun it and hope that I make it. Yeah, I did. Okay, now I put it to drive, check to the left and right, and it's safe, so I proceed. Okay, now I'm making a right turn, so it's a right signal, and I stop at the edge of the roadway because there's no white line or sidewalk. Check to the left, but the snow is so high that I cannot see properly. I don't know if a car is close, so I just have to inch out slowly until I can see clearly, and it looks good, so now I can go. Now overnight we had about 2 feet of snow. I think I had about 18 inches of snow in my driveway, and this is the most snow I've seen in 5 years. Okay, we're going up to a stop, getting up to a stop sign here, and we need a left turn, so I signal left, and there's no white line or sidewalk to be seen, so I go right out to the edge of the road so I can actually see properly to the left. Now I make a complete stop, but I can see okay to the right, but to the left the snow is so high. Look at that car, it's buried. So we go slowly and keep checking to the left and right, and now it's safe, so I proceed. Now if my video cuts short, please like and subscribe to what you've seen so far. Now I'm going straight, and there's a stop sign, no white line, no crosswalk. Yes, there is a crosswalk right there, so I don't block it. I can see clearly, and now I can proceed very light on. Okay, this car is approaching and he has the right of way. I have to wait behind this vehicle, and I signal left, mirror and shoulder, then I drive around this car. You see, they're coming, their side is clear, so they have the right of way. If I force myself in here, that could be a collision, and it would be my fault. So you have to learn to be courteous and follow the road rules. Okay, next street down, it's a right turn. Signal right, mirror, shoulder check to the right, and overhand steering, and make the turn. Now at this stop sign, it's gonna be a right turn, so I put my right signal on, check my right shoulder, and what have we got here? Can't see a white line. There is a sidewalk or a crosswalk, so I have my wheels turned to the right and stop before the sidewalk. Can I see clearly? No, so now I inch up slowly and keep checking. It's safe, then I proceed. Alright, now you can see the roadway. It's snow, there's snow there, but at least you can see the road, so you have more traction. Now remember, I've got a lot of videos, driving videos, designed to pass your road test. So if you need to learn any topics that you want to learn, all you have to do is be on YouTube, talk to your phone or your tablet, or type into your computer driving buddy system and then the name of the topic. So let's say it's one-way street, you would type in driving buddy system one-way street, and then you'll see the driving buddy one-way street video. And remember, all these videos I have, my students have used them all to actually pass their driving test. So you can too. Alright, and remember, if my video dies, please like and subscribe anyway, because I'm sure you're getting some valuable tips. Alright, so we're just gonna keep on driving until the video stops. Speed here is 40 kilometers an hour, and I'm driving at 40 kilometers an hour. Now I'm going on a long road trip. It's about an hour drive, so I'm going to fill up at the gas station. And remember, as far as your car goes, don't let your car, your fuel tank go below quarter, because remember, your fuel pump needs to be covered in fuel. If you allow it to go too low, your fuel pump will burn out, and of course your car is gonna die wherever you are. So treat your car right. Make sure you always have at least a half a tank of gas. Well, I make sure I fill up every single day, so I always have a full tank of gas in my car. Okay, so my gas tank is on the left, so that's why I'm entering the fill up station the way that I am, and there it is. There's the pump. So, and there's the pump for the petrol. So now all I have to do is go up further, so it will reach, the nozzle will reach right there. Apply the parking brake, place the gear selector to park. I usually turn my fan off and then shut the car off. Alright, so I'm gonna end this video, and I see you in the next one. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.